What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You already know the vibes. Now, before we get started, guys, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food. Just so you guys are up to date with what's going on. You know what it is, man. You see the box right here. Yeezy 700. I don't even know how to pronounce this. Arzareth. I just said the same thing twice. I guess that's how you say it. As always, guys, make sure you guys give us a like, give us a subscribe. You know what it is. But with any of our videos, guys, if you want to pause it at any time, especially at a time like this, feel free to. All of these videos you could use as a legit check. All of this stuff, if you ever see it on our channel, it's cooked for retail, straight from the source, straight from the belly of the beast, all right? As you guys can see, this is what the boxes look like for the Yeezy 700 Arzareth, aka the blue Yeezys. I'm a really big fan of them, man. I've been dying to see them in person. I thought the mock-ups looked interesting. The last true blue Yeezy we had was like the blue tints that I really like, so let's get into it. All right, guys. Yee! Glee! As my boy Kodak would say. Free Kodak one time. Florida. But here we go, guys. Yeezy 700 Arzareths. You see what's going on, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. First impressions right now. Did you drop your phone? Did you jump? Did you do jumping jacks? Did you spit on your phone? Were you disgusted? Did you throw up in your mouth? Let me know in the comments, man. Do you guys like these? Do you hate them? Like I said, when I first saw them as the mock-up photos, I really liked them. These laces right here pay special attention to. I forgot what they're called. I think they're like special or jump action laces or bungee laces or something like that, but they are a little different from what we've been seeing. I'm just doing this little review right here for legit check purposes, guys. At the end of this video, I'll be doing a little market analysis on, StockX and seeing what my resale prediction really is. So make sure you guys stay tuned or else you're really going to miss out. But again, I think these are really dope. I really like this front piece right here, that beige kind of suede material type stuff. It's not bad. It definitely adds a different hint and a different level to these actual sneakers. The silhouette itself is cool, man. I like the 700. I like the Alvas that we had last time. I'll go ahead and throw a picture up right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about if you're unfamiliar. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and do a little legit check for you guys. Little review with, again, my little market analysis at the end of it. Of course, like I said, at any point, if you guys have any discrepancies or questions, go ahead and pause the video so you can match it up to your pair, make sure it's legit. Leave a comment. I'll be back as soon as I can, expeditiously, as T.I. would say. And yeah, guys, so personally, I really dig them. They're different. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. I definitely recommend them to anybody that likes Yeezys. I think the brand's been kind of dead for a while, but it's cool to see the innovation. Now, enough of that, guys. On to the actual resale prediction, resale value. Right now, not doing too bad. Retail on these is $200, give or take $220 with the current shipping and handling. These dropped last Saturday. Not bad. This was an Adidas Confirmed drop and Yeezy Supply drop. We were able to hit on Yeezy Supply, I believe. Now, my size 13, not doing too bad, $390. After you take away StockX fees, you're looking at about $350. So not too shabby, room for about $100, $120 in profit per pair. Now, just wanted to go ahead and compare these Yeezy 700 Arzareths to previous Yeezy 700 drops as a base point. These were also $200 retail and are already pushing $500. These OGs right here, you guys see the value, $1,000. I think these Arzareths are only going to go up over time. It was a difficult drop with the actual Adidas Confirmed drop. I think that threw a lot of people off. Couldn't really bought it too hard. My prediction, in a couple months they might hit 550 to 6. I don't think they'll be pushing 100 like these OG white ones will, but I think they're definitely special. They offer a cool alternative for a blue sneaker, kind of putting Yeezy back on the map. But ultimately, guys, you know, we really influence the market. So let me know your comments. Let me know what you guys think, your predictions. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. Some people roasted me in my last one about not sounding too energetic. So let me know, guys. And as always, thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for cooking with the kitchen. And most importantly, stay safe, guys. More content coming soon. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. And I hope you guys like the video. Peace.